BlackWolf app is a new trending ride hailing with a sense of protection. So this is kind of like Uber, but they're just focused on driver screening and sometimes protected vehicles. So you have screen drivers with military, police, and security experience, or sometimes even like cars which are protected. And yep, unfortunately, this app it works only in Greater Atlanta area. So they're just testing it out, but it's getting traction. So for example, if you just create your account and then you choose your service, it says BlackWolf Premium, premium rides with screen drivers up to 4 passengers, or BlackWolf Armed with extra protection. So that's pretty cool. And then you just select choose drop off location. Let's just select and then you just see the details, choose pickup time, you can just schedule it. You can see extra details, driver instructions, promo code, round trip, and then estimate. You can see the estimate. I guess this app is more expensive than Uber or Lyft. Yep, so that's just what you have here. But this app has this feature where you have screened drivers and more focus on protected cars. So yep, there you have it. Try it out if you're in Greater Atlanta area. I don't know when this app is coming to more cities, but seems it's a interesting idea.